Hey, I'm Sarah. My little girl just got sent this awesome dog leash set. This has got so much stuff in there for her. We've got a collapsible water bottle, we've got a leash, we've got a harness, we've got an actual collar, and then we have the little lead with a little poop bag in there. We're gonna get all this set up on her and we're gonna take her outside, give her a little walk, and show you this up close. All right, so we're gonna look at everything in the set before we go outside. So this is the harness, and it just slips around their head here. And it's got this nice area here that you can actually grab onto the handle of the dog. It's got a little buckle right here, so you can actually just open it up and put it on him. So that is really nice. So it's adjustable right here if you needed to tighten it down for your dog. We'll just get that tight because she is a little girl. And then it just goes between their legs. And then we're gonna snap her in on the sides. And same thing over here, you can also adjust this to make that tighter as well. And then she'd have her harness. Like I said, you've got this nice strap at the top, and then you have hooks in the back and underneath here that you can then use this lead, which has this nice little clip that you can put your little poop bag on. So that's a really nice little feature. I love having these things on me at all times because with dogs, you never know when you're gonna need them. You have a little collar if you actually wanted to put the collar on them. They do have the reflective stripes on all of this stuff, which is also a great benefit. You've got your collapsible little water bowl that also has a little carabiner, so you can put that on your keys or whatever else you're wanting to carry with it. The one thing I found was really a neat idea is this is a little seat belt that you can then buckle your dog into their seat. And then they sit in here, you can chain them in there, and they are in your car with you then. So that's a really neat idea. I had never thought of something like that before. But let's take my girl out. We will get her on her lead and we'll go on outside. All right, we just got outside and she's got her little harness on. And this is really nice because you can kind of pull them without actually like pulling on them. One of the things I really like is this handle. This is a nice soft handle on here, so you can wrap it around your wrist and not really worry too much about it. So we're gonna go out here and we're gonna go for a little walk. She's able to move real freely with this, and I really like the reflective surface and also that little handle on the top. So if they do try to get away, especially with a bigger dog, to be able to grab them from the top up there is really nice.